Thank you so much for taking the time to join me this afternoon, and good afternoon. My name is Megan Schenkel, and I'm an account executive here at ISG Solutions, and I'm going to be taking some time this afternoon to present our newest solution for you. Some of you may be familiar with some of ISG's products. We offer products such as iBridge, which is an SDK or a toolkit for iMIS. We also have ISG Web, which is our web integration solution. And we have ISG Framework, which integrates Microsoft SharePoint to iMIS. But today I'm going to talk to you about our newest solution and our newest product in the ISG family of products, and that is ISGsites. And ISGsites is designed to increase the value of your association's membership experience, and it is fully integrated with your iMIS management software. ISGsites is a customized cloud computing solution powered by Microsoft SharePoint 2010. And one thing to note in the very beginning of today's presentation is with ISGsites, you do not need to own SharePoint. So as many of you probably know or have heard, SharePoint can be extremely cost prohibitive, especially for associations. And so this offering really gives you a great opportunity to take advantage of a lot of the functionality of SharePoint without having to encounter that very high price tag. And today's presentation is going to be a very high-level 10,000-foot overview of ISGsites. We'll discuss some things like key features. We'll take a look at some different committee sites, and also discuss some great functionalities such as managing tasks and document sharing. And then again, as I mentioned a moment ago, at the end of the presentation, I'm going to open up the phone lines so that you can ask any questions that you have. We encourage that you ask any questions. If you think of a question as I'm going through, jot it down. And we will talk about those at the end of the presentation. And I know it seems today that most of us, if not all of us, are very familiar with PDAs and smartphones. I know for one, I can't seem to go anywhere without seeing an iPhone or a BlackBerry, an Android, or the million other smartphones on the market today. I myself have a BlackBerry. I'm a BlackBerry girl. But one neat thing about ISGsites is that it is available at your fingertips from any PDA or cell phone that is web accessible. So you can view ISGsites using your cell phone. And what is ISGsites? We'll start by taking a quick peek at some of the features. ISGsites is made up of multiple tiers of customized workspaces. So you can have sites for any group in iMIS, whether that be chapters, committees, special interest groups. You could also have a site for your association staff as well. Some additional key features of ISGsites is it does use single sign-on, and I know that's a very popular term in the marketplace. And basically what that means is that your users will not be asked for their username and password multiple times throughout their web experience. They would log into your website and instantly they would be logged into ISGsites and vice versa. Users are also able to create and edit documents within the site using Office 2010 web software anywhere that they can access the internet. And then the latest offering that we have within ISGsites is the ability to have users participate in surveys and document approval. We've actually been working with several customers over the last few months since we launched ISGsites, and we've taken a lot of their feedback into consideration and have added that survey and document approval functionality based on their recommendations. So we love to get recommendations from our clients. And members have access to communicate through discussion boards, blogs, and wikis. And with ISGsites, it's very familiar to anybody that is used to collaborating on the net. And one great thing to note here is that the time that it takes to get ISGsites up and running for your association is very, very short. We meet with you and your staff to determine the business rules that you would like to incorporate within ISGsites, and you're off within just